advent of modern technology, we used to take an impression of the foot by using plaster. So we would apply the plaster strips to the foot. These plaster strips would then dry and they would form the actual contour of the foot onto which a device could be made, such as an orthotic. We would send that to the lab would pour plaster, and it was a huge process, and we'd have to store the plaster for a period of time. Well, it took us a long time before we were able to duplicate that same quality of impression by the use of a scanner, and this is what we use now. So this is a three-dimensional scanner, as opposed to some places where they will just do photocopy. It looks like a photocopy machine image of your foot, but this is an actual 3D impression using several cameras. It will do a scan of your foot. That image is then captured digitally so we can assess whether or not it's what exactly that we want, and it's immediately sent to the lab. And at the other end, that information is transferred into another computer, which mills it out, pops it out of a frame, makes the orthotic or whatever device that we're making, and then all those materials that are milled can all be recycled. It's quite a difference.